Guys, we're back. So yeah, our last episode. Sadly, I couldn't get it to post yet, but we were on the other map and we started harvesting our canola, I believe. But yeah, for some reason it wouldn't post. I'm still trying. But yeah, today, we're gonna do some grass. Right down to the farm area here. And I serviced all the hay equipment the other day. So it's all ready to go. So first we got our New Holland T8 435 with the duals with the John Deere 956 Moco off of American Eagles. And there are two different ones. This one's the used one, and this one's the new one. We got our John Deere 7290R. You can't, isn't that outside anymore? No, I guess not. I don't remember. With a flagel bale trailer. John Deere 320 Bobcat, a dual bale fork. And this guy, 6170 with nothing on him yet. Might have to put another bale trailer. And then our little New Holland T475 with a round bale wrapper on it. Go ahead and jump into New Holland. And this week I am off, and next week because it starts my spring break, so hopefully I can get a few videos up. Monday is my birthday, so I won't be doing anything on Monday or Sunday. Because on Sunday I'm going over to my grandma's again and hanging out there, and then Monday me and a couple of my friends are going to go to I'll just say, we're going to go to Airtime, and we're going to hang out there. Oh yeah, there's what the 6170 goes on that New Holland round bale. Go ahead and swing this guy out. Now I really do love this mower. There are a few problems with it, like, let's see how big I want to get this. For example, turn on the HUD here. The mower does not stay on, so when you put it down, it cuts that, but then if you move forward, it didn't cut that. So what you gotta do is you gotta put it in at cruise control and just, whoop, shoot, wrong button. You just gotta spam B. You just gotta get in a straight line and spam B. Yeah, you can't hold it either. I mean, other than the part where you just gotta spam B, it's actually really nice mowing. Top speed you can go is 10, I'm going 8. You just gotta spam the heck out of it. It does have a nice swivel effect too. And it is the right mouse button, so you can't use the keypad like you do for a loader. And sadly, I gotta give up on this guy. He's nice for little fields, but for this big field now, it'll take me forever. It is really nice mowing though, I just don't like it. It's spam B. I mean, if someone can fix that, you know, I will use it all the time. So, sadly, we gotta go to plan B. Then I got another cool mod, funny mod I should say, I gotta show you guys. I got off at 8 AM yesterday. Why am I having this problem? Okay, for some reason all my X's won't work for my mowers. Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna try and figure this out.